1010 app how to use. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you install and download the 1010 application on your device. So as you can see, the app is downloaded in my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home screen. Now just tap on let's go, and here you can sign in with your Google account, your TikTok account, or you can just use your email ID. Here I'm going to go for sign in with Google. Now as you tap on that, you get to choose an account from which you want to start or connect or associate this application with. So just choose an account over here. And after choosing an account, you'll be asked to give an access. So just tap on agree and share, and it will just start by welcoming you to Tenton app. Then you can add your profile picture over here, and then you can change your photo as well. You can choose any photo over here. So I'm just gonna go for any random picture over here. Then tap on add as profile picture. Then you can tap on add your name. So just add your name over here. And then you can tap on add your friends. So just make sure that you give access to your different options available. So while it's connecting over here, make sure that you have a stable internet connection in your device and just wait for a while. And after this, you'll be able to use the Tintin app on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.